New tonight at 10, we now know what an audit found after questions were raised about how court cases were being transferred in Benton County. Circuit Court judges asked for that review this year after an issue in the Amber Waterman capital murder case. 5 News reporter Taylor Howard shows us what auditors found and what's changing because of it.
In February, court records showed Amber Waterman's case had been in front of Judge Robin Green for more than 3 years, even though it was originally assigned to another judge. That led all 7 Benton County Circuit judges to ask state legislators for an audit of how cases were being transferred. Friday, they got the results.
3 related cases were transferred to Division 1, but had all been randomly assigned by the system to Division 2. These transfers occurred without proper documentation.
Those 3 case numbers were co-defendants from the same incident, not 3 separate incidents. Circuit Clerk Brenda DeShields tells me the same former employee was involved in those transfers and the Waterman case.
It all came back to the same staff member, and that staff member is no longer working here. It's all isolated to the same employee.
But auditors looked at more than 1,000 transferred cases and found the overall distribution across the court was reasonable. Judge Christine Howard, one of the 7 who requested the audit, says that's reassuring.
It helped us understand that, in fact, the procedures that are implemented from the AOC are fine, but we as judges need to tighten things up.
Which means more of a paper trail when a case does move. Auditors recommend documentation with every transfer and a second person to sign off electronically. DeShields says she agrees that more verification can help.
I don't think verification's ever a bad thing. I mean, at the end of the day, these are people's records. It's not about me as the clerk. It's not about the judge.
Howard says the judges are already making a change.
Going forward, all criminal case transfers will have a court order with them.
The audit serves as a reminder of what DeShields says is at stake when her office handles those records.
A mistake is not a mistake. It's on someone's life, and that could be critical. So it's very important that we do our jobs, we do them right.
In Benton County, covering news where you live, Taylor Howard, 5 News.
The judges say they plan to update their procedures to require a court order for every criminal case transfer. Auditors also recommend a second electronic sign-off for transfers in the state's court system.